brought some of the children along from our club. They love coming to the show and seeing all the wonderful things that we've got here for them to see.
I'm here with some classmates from the B Club. We've been invited as a club to do a special programme for our B Club to see what's going on here and see how we can get more involved. It's really cool to see all the different things you can do with the bee products and the honey.
Children, they love it. They like looking through the microscopes with the Microscopical Society. They just enjoy the buzz of the show.